Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to start a new chapter of geography, first chapter of geography. The name of the chapter is Resource and Development. Before to start this chapter, we are try to understand what is the meaning of this chapter. The chapter name is Resource and Development. Resource. Dear student, resources are those type of sources. Those have power, those have capacity, and those sources are complete our requirement, our needs. All these type of sources comes under the definition of resource. And the second word is the development. Dear student, development means a positive change, growth, progress, improvement. All these are comes under the word of development. So let's come to the point and we start the chapter with the definition. What is resource? Dear student, resources are those type of sources. Resources are those type of sources which can satisfy our needs, our requirement, or comes under the definition of resources. Anything, any goods which have a power, which is capable to satisfy our needs, our requirement, all these things, all those type of goods comes under the definition of resource. Features. Every good, everything, every sources never can fulfill our need. There should be three features to make any source in resource. The student give attention. There should be three features to make a source, to convert a source into resource. The first feature of resource is technical accessible. Those things which can have a power where we can apply techniques comes under the resources. For example, a almirah, fan, gate, our table, chairs, train, bus, fan, AC, mostly things are made from the iron. It means to say the basic component is iron. But with the use of techniques, we convert these iron in a different good, and all these goods have a power to satisfy different requirements. Basic is same, but with the help of technique, we convert these things in a many kind of things. Second one, economical feasible. Dear student, economical feasible means my pocket allow to purchase any goods, then it will comes under the resource. If I am unable to purchase any good, then that thing cannot become a resource for me. In summer vacation, fan, AC, cooler, their all work are same. But AC will not comes under resource for me if I am unable to purchase. If I have a power to purchase only fan, then fan will come under resource for me. Never and never AC will come under the definition of resource. Dear student, economical feasible means simply the goods which I can purchase to satisfy my own need, then and then, only then it will come under the definition of resource. And the third one is beta, culturally acceptable. culturally. If my society accept a thing, then and only then it comes under the definition of resource. For example, USA, UK, India, all these countries' society are different. Their culture different, their tradition different, their food section different, their dress section different. I cannot impose Western culture of dress, Western culture of food in India forcefully. Dear student, only and only if our society accept that thing, then it will count under the definition of resource. So dear student, resource means any kind of goods, any kind of thing which have power to satisfy, any kind of sources which have power to satisfy our need, our requirement will comes under the definition of resource. And in resource there should be three type of feature. One is the technically accessible, second one is the culturally acceptable, and third one is the economically feasibility. So in that condition, that thing will work under the definition of resource. Now the second point, does resources are free gift from God? Yes or no? Yes, dear student. Natural resources are free gift. Natural resources are free gift from the nature, from the God to man, for development, for improvement, for growth. So we should use this type of resource in a sustainable way, in a carefully way, because if we will misuse this type of resource, then this resource will destroy, and our future coming generation have to live without the use of the resource. I told you about that we should use this resource sustainable way. The question comes in mind, sir, what is the definition of sustainable? What is the definition of sustainable resource? Dear student, sustainable resources mean the resource which are not only for present, the resource which are not only for present but also for future coming generation, and the resource which not damage the environment. That all the resource come under this sustainable. Sustainable means the resource which are not capable only to fulfill our present need, but also they are for future coming generation, and that type of resource which not damage the environment, that all the comes under the definition of the sustainable resource. The next topic, next point is beta, what are the types of resource? In our book there are two type of questions. The first question is define the classification of resource, and the second one is the what are the types of resource. Both are the different answer. According to classification, there are four types of resource, and according to types of resource there are two types of resource. So let's start. First, what are the types of resource? There are two types of resource. First, natural resource, and second one is the human made resource. There are two types of resource. First is the natural resource, and second one is the human made resource. Natural resources are those resources which are provided by nature to human being. Natural resources are those resources which are provided by nature to human, and human made resources are those resources which are made by human. Those resources will come under the human made resource. Dear student, let's start again. We start this chapter with the definition of the resource and the definition of development. After that, we try to understand what is the definition of resource, what are the types, what are the features of resource, and the third point was that resources are free gift of God to man. And fourth one, we study about the what are the classification of resource and what are the types of resource. In next video, we will explain about the types of resource. Thank you.